Hi guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to be working with a lovely and delicious gin from Kenya. It's called Procera. For this reason I made a little syrup that's going to go really well with the gin to bring out the peppery notes, and we're going to show you how to make one of the all-time classics. It's a gin gimlet. Have fun.
Hi guys, it's Kay. I'm back here at TT Liquor as always, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a gimlet. Now for this drink we've chosen to use this really lovely Procera gin, which is a gin which is distilled with a bunch of really lovely African botanicals. And because it has quite a kind of distinct savoury flavour, in place of the usual lime cordial, we've actually created our own little cordial or syrup, which we've infused with some star anise, some coriander seeds, some rose petals, and some pink peppercorns. You could use this method and these measurements to make a traditional gimlet using lime cordial as well, but we will also link the recipe to make this lovely syrup. Now I've got one of these lovely Nick and Nora glasses. I'm just going to fill that with some crushed ice and sit it to one side to chill down while we make the drink. And the first ingredient is of course our gin. Now like I said, we're using this lovely Procera gin, so I'll grab my measure here and fill the big side up for 50. There we go, pop that in and measure myself an extra 10 to bring us up to 60. Next is our second and final ingredient, which is our lovely homemade cordial. I'll just measure 20 mils of our cordial and pop that in there with the gin. Fill it right up with cubed ice, big old smack to seal it, and we'll give that a shake for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Fantastic, so my tin's all cold and frosty. I'll pop that open. So I've got my Hawthorne strainer. I'm going to take my fine mesh strainer and just strain the drink through both of those. And for a garnish, I've just got some lovely little edible flowers, one of those, and just pop that on top like so. And that is our gimlet ready to drink.